Last time on Island ADV.
So this officially starts us on the second part of it, which is the South Shore. The trail has deteriorated.
No, the right line's the better line here.
Bark busters, bust and bark. All right, we were gonna plan on taking a little bit more of a coastal ride, but man, oh man, we've been running through the rain for about an hour now. It's bad rain too. Came out of nowhere. Totally not in the forecast, but it's pretty good. So we found this small little shop. There was a bike in the garage, so we figured they had chain lube. Sure enough, they had some awesome chain lube for us, but I think we're like about 30 minutes outside of Bridgewater, and we'll see how the weather pans out from there. If it brightens up and looks really good, we might take a dip down to Lunenburg. If not, we might just go get supplies and then head into camp, and we'll see how that shakes out. Anyway, we'll pick you up when we figure out what we're doing. I will say, I've had the distribution system going the whole time through the rain, and it's just been awesome. Rock solid. No issues with water ingress. It's been great. Oh, that trail, man. Oh, there's just so much rail bed trail. Oh, that's all under construction cool. Anyway, I think. Yeah. Such a cool looking bridge, such a cool looking drive. I think this is it. Every time, I'll fill you guys in on this. We're just getting out of Bridgewater, and we're heading through Martins River, and we're on the Highway 3 again. And what we've been doing, basically, it's kind of it wasn't by design, but it's just kind of the way it's been working out. And it's been working out so that, you know, in the mornings we've been running trail and dirt roads, and in the afternoons we're searching for this Highway 3 to kind of give us this nice little, you know, chilled out asphalt appreciation, twisty type of thing. I mean, look at that. Can't deny that sign, right? And it's been great. So once again, we're here in the afternoon heading towards camp, and we're prioritizing this a little bit. And this is going to be pretty good. It's going to take us down along the coast, so it's going to give us a little bit of that, you know, really pretty South Shore scenery to our right here. So, but man, oh man, the trail, the rail bed trails. I'm glad we got a lot of it in. I think we got a lot of it in.
Man, that trail's all in through the right, eh?
Is it?
Yeah, there's been like 4 or 5 access points. So it seems to be like all through here. Yeah, it just came out from the left.
Right there.
Yeah.
Man, I just don't know if we're allowed on it.
No idea, that's the problem. And like the thing is, it's one of those things, right, where like I saw a sign back there that said it was a shared trail, because there's like an actual like trailhead, but like it all probably falls under that Highway Act.
Yeah. So what Brandon's talking about is we were on a trail earlier, as we were coming out of, where were we coming out of? Sandy River, I think. And it was really awesome. It was spectacular. But then we got to a section, and there was a sign we'd never seen before, and it said, like, almost verbatim, no registered road vehicles. And I mean, you can't get more clear than that, so we just dumped off of it, and we assume that that's the same for all of these little sections that we're seeing here now, from there to here, which is frustrating, because I mean, it looks great. It looks awesome, but like, I don't know, man. I mean, some of the fines that go towards being on those trails are pretty hefty duty. Oh well. If anyone is watching this video knows any different, please let me know, because we'll be coming back to Nova Scotia, of course. So as we're coming around here, man, like to our right, like drastic right, I believe, is Oak Island out there.
Oh, that's awesome. That makes sense.
Yeah, one of those islands out there. Actually, the biggest one. It's hard to. Here, I'm just gonna pull over. Sorry for the short-term notice here.
All good.
Pretty sure it's that peninsula way over there. That's Oak Island, which is really neat.
It wouldn't be the peninsula though. The island's an actual island, I think.
It is, but they put a causeway in.
Oh, I didn't know. Are you sure? I didn't know they had a causeway in.
Oh yeah, man. I looked up Oak Island big time for this trip.
I did not know they had put a causeway in.
But the thing is, it's privately owned. The island itself is like privately owned.
Yeah.
So there's no getting on it unless you're going there for the Oak Island Resort. If you believe it or not, there's like a resort there now.
Yeah, I knew that. I knew they saw like a show or something like that.
Yeah, the Curse of Oak Island.
Yeah.
I'll be completely honest, I have no idea the whole background story of Oak Island.
Dude, it's insane. They've been digging there for like so long. There's a little book I've got about it. It's like a fiction thing.
Oh yeah.
And like it was like one of those weirdest things where it's just like they're just like digging and like their entire thing is like dig. Gotta be here somewhere. And it's like, all right, but I mean, it's a really cool little thing. And like they've got like a massive TV show now.
Yeah, it's nuts. I don't even, this is the thing. For those who are uninitiated, we're talking about the pirate treasure that is supposedly existent on Oak Island. And people have been trying to dig this stuff up unsuccessfully for many, many decades. And they came up, it's now a TV show on like the History Channel called The Curse of Oak Island. You guys probably already know all about it. But man, like, how do you make a TV show about not finding treasure?
Right? Like, that's the thing. Like, it's like making a TV show about not finding treasure, about treasure that's like never been found.
And it's not there. It's not there, man. It's not there. There's no. Someone's probably going to disagree with me saying that, but there's no treasure on Oak Island. But I mean, they dug up, I guess, and they found some timbers, and they came up with this elaborate explanation as to why that there would be treasure in this money pit. It's called the money pit, I guess. And you know what, man? I don't think so. I don't know. I'm not convinced. Maybe someone could convince me. Got a right coming up, and that should be it. That should be it right over there, actually.
Oh, that's really cool. It's gonna be neat.
Hope so, man. Like,
we just get there, we're parked in the middle of a bunch of campers.
Yeah. I don't think so, though. I think it's slightly treated. I have seen it before, though. They got the idea from it watching a video from a local guy around here called Brute Force Explorer. He was out here on it, camping out here, and it looked really good. So cool.
This is so cool.
I'm gonna go straight up. Pretty sure that's the play.
I'm gonna follow you. Oh, cool, a dog. 2 dogs. Camper registration probably at the window, eh? Firewood $5. Kindling is $3.
Oh, sweet. That's
it's
nice.
right there on the thing.
Very good. Hi, do we just park up and come inside to check in for?
You can, or you can check in here, whatever you want to do.
Oh, we'll pull up there and come inside.
Right over the speed bump.
I'm just gonna drop her down with these cars here.
Cool.
Alright, I will go figure out the situation.
I will watch the equipment. I'm excited to strap wood to this. I've been wanting to do it for a while. Like, I really want to just load this thing up. Ever since I saw like one photo of someone with wood strapped to the back of a DR. I was like, yes, let's do it. You said it is this one right here, right?
Absolutely. Alright, let's see what we can maneuver here.
This is going to be awesome. Yep.
Realistically speaking, I think this is plenty of room. This much right here. And I can give you 10 minutes. Ah, look at this. Old Woods bike. There we are. Ready to rock.
So that's 75. 74 is right here.
Oh, okay.
We're
Well,
good.
You must have had the map upside down. Not bad at all. Not the craziest view we've ever had, but you know what?
This will do.
It'll do for sure. Oh, it's so open in here. All right. We have made it to camp. We have our wood.
This is awesome. I love it.
This is very awesome. The DR650 showing up the KLR once more. Awesome. And this is where we make our little fire. We got a little grill and we got a thing to... Oh man, I don't even need to use my grill tonight. And use this sketchy old rig. Very neat.
Grill might be a bit more sanitary.
Maybe put it over top of the grill. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
grill over grill.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, I think what we'll do, folks, is we'll get set up. And once we get kind of put together, we'll do a little cooking. See what we can put together. Just wanted to show off Brandon's little bivvy hooch system he's got going on here. See, he's got the tarp tied to the rear end of the DR. And it's all stretched out to keep the rain off, but then underneath you got the awesome bivvy right there, and that's just key. That was key last night for sure. It's just awesome. It packs up about the size of my hammock. Man, oh man, it's some slick rig. So this here thing's been working pretty good for the trip for the most part. It's just a big battery bank with a PV panel on the front, like I showed you there when we were doing the kit out. You can see it's charging the Cardo now, but it's also getting a charge from sunlight. So now I'll say this, it doesn't charge very fast from sunlight. It's definitely a super duper trickle charge. But when you compare it with this, and I tie it into the distribution system on the motorcycle, it works out pretty good. It charges up fairly quickly. Look at these plates, huh? This is a Sea to Summit Adventure plate right here. This is a patent pending right now, but you can buy them. They come in individual packs and they're $29.99 a piece.
My pleasure.
Oh, that's pretty good, man. That's pretty good. It's fairly tender. Yeah. Awesome. What do you think?
It's delicious.
It's good?
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
Very good
This is you got unbiased. Brandon's unbiased. All right, so I think what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna chill out in this beautiful campsite that we have here. Later on, I'm gonna get all refreshed with a nice shower, and then we'll do the normal thing of having some cigars and having some beers, and then we'll go to ground, and in the morning, we'll get a quick coffee, and then we'll pack her up, and we'll make our slow way back to the island. Right on. I'll catch you guys in the morning.